Do you ever just film a video and think that it would be amazing if you made some money? If you answered yes, then check out the following 5 ways to make $100 a day. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote somebody else's product on your account and get paid a commission when somebody buys through your link. Number 2. Go live. Your fans are always there, waiting for you. They can buy coins and gift them to you for entertaining them. On your account they appear as diamonds, which you can convert them to cash. Number 3. Print on demand. You can do a design and put it on websites like Redbubble. Your fans then will buy it from you. Tip: make it something excited. Number 4. If you have some knowledge about a topic, then you can do a coaching call. All you need is a laptop or a smartphone, and you can charge $100 to $200 a call. Number 5. TikToks. Create a fund. You get paid based on views and overall interaction with your account. All you need are the followings. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.